Welcome to our comparison video of two of the best air fryers in the market. If you're struggling to choose between the Chefman air fryer and the Cosori air fryer Prola, then keep watching as we evaluate them on various aspects. Both air fryers have a sleek design that will elevate your kitchen counter. However, the square shape of the Chefman air fryer makes it more space-efficient compared to the round shape of the Cosori air fryer. Also, the stainless steel finish on Chefman's air fryer gives it a more elegant look. The Cosori air fryer Prola can hold up to 5 quarts of cooking space compared to the 8-quart nonstick basket of the Chefman air fryer. So, if you have a small family, the Cosori air fryer Prola would be perfect for you. Both air fryers have several presets that make cooking an easy and enjoyable experience. However, the Cosori air fryer Prola has 9 one-touch cooking functions, which is more than the 4 presets of the Chefman air fryer. Both the Chefman air fryer and the Cosori air fryer Prola have a non-stick basket that makes cleaning a breeze. However, only the Chefman air fryer has a flat frying tray that is also dishwasher safe, making it much easier to clean. Both air fryers have a similar price point, with the Chefman air fryer being priced at $99 and the Cosori air fryer Prola also being priced at $99. So price should not be a determining factor when choosing between the two. And there you have it, our comparison of the Chefman air fryer and the Cosori air fryer Prola. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.